happening, Flash? We're having an interview.
Mommy, Flash is running fast, and he remembered this, and he got and he broke the city.
Broke the city? What do you mean Flash broke the city? He didn't break the city.
No, not Flash. The one who did this. He broke the city.
The one who did what?
Mommy, you remember that bad guy with the glasses? He did all that thing. He did that. He made that loud noise to make glass
Break, yeah.
break.
What do you think, Cody? Did he catch the bad guys?
Yeah.
And then what?
And then he did, and then that wasn't you, Cody. But that wasn't you. That wasn't you. What?